Hello and welcome to this unboxing video for the AGM Brushless Gimbal made by AGMHobby.com for the GoPro Hero 3. Before I go ahead, rest assured that I'm in no way affiliated with AGM or anyone else for that matter. This is my gimbal that I purchased off eBay and I will be giving my honest opinion and first impressions. I was lucky enough to win this gimbal on bids for around £68 including delivery for a bargain price. At the time of this video, these gimbals are on eBay for £78 by now. Right, without further ado, let's get started. This is the box of the gimbal. AGM GoPro Hero 3 Brushless 2-axis camera gimbal. The standard box. I think the box took a little bit of a hit. I hope the contents inside are safe. Let's open it. Some assembling instructions in English, that's good. I think some hook mounts, camera front lens mount, I think. Another hook mount. And that's the gimbal. And the top one. Right, first impressions. The build quality is good. It's aluminium with fiberglass plates. That's fiberglass as well. I think there's a servo attachment for pitch control and roll control. Standard GST connector for the battery. I'll pause the video and then I'll connect my GoPro 3 up. Right, now I've connected my GoPro 3 and I think even without power it seems to be balanced fairly well. Okay, let's try connecting the battery. And then hold the gimbal. Okay, and that's working. Yeah, I think I'm happy with that. That's quite good. Right, thanks for watching and keep posted, so I'm going to be posting some videos soon of this gimbal on my Taro Ironman 650. Thanks for watching, please subscribe to these videos and it'll keep you posted. Thanks, bye.